Hi guys, James here at Enkae Prestige, and as you can see, I'm out in the Ferrari 812 GTS. What a stunning car on a stunning day, guys. So what can I tell you about this car here? This could be the end of an era for the great Ferrari V12 front engines. Word is it's all going to go all electric and all hybrid and 6 cylinders. This is still the original V12. It has no electric things on the engine at all. It has no turbos. It has 800 horsepower under there. It's 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds in this car. It is biblical. The noises this machine makes, it's like an orchestra playing. But as I said, it could be the end of an era. This is the first time, I think, since the Daytona 50 years ago, that Ferrari have actually designed a purpose-built convertible. They've dabbled with others, don't get me wrong. They've took roofs off, they put fabric on it, but they've never done one like this before. And it could be your last chance to ever own one. So, base price on this car, probably going to be looking about £300,000. But when you buy a Ferrari, you have two things. You have a list price, and then you've got a wish list and a tick box. This car here, literally every single option has been ticked off. It even has the advanced cruise control. Who needs that on a Ferrari? £7,000, but it has it. When you look at the other cars out there on the market, you will not find one. I guarantee you will not find one with the spec this has. So let me take you around the car and let's point out some of the finer details. So the extras on this, most of it, as you'll probably understand, is carbon. And this literally has carbon everywhere. So we have the carbon splitter on the front. We have the carbon side skirts. We have the scooter rear shields, walking round the back. We also have the rear diffuser as well. This is all in carbon. So the exhaust surrounds for those massive quad pipes and the center diffuser there, all carbon fiber. Inside the car, lots of spec inside this car. We have got these special Daytona seats. They have the scooter rear shields on the top, and again, I've not seen many, especially in this two-tone color, which then matches the rest of the dashboard. So the light gray blue, Alcantara, that's also going across the dash. Carbon fiber everywhere again, all in the center there. Steering wheel, air vents, you name it, this car has it in carbon fiber. Find me a better spec one, guys. You won't. Enough of my talking, because all I want to do is drive this car. So let's take it on a drive. Oh, yes. Right, let's go. Wow, all that noise and fun, just doing 0 to 60. You don't have to speed in these cars here. How would I describe the noise and the fun in this car? I saw 2 weeks ago at a festival, I went and saw the Hacienda Orchestra, where they played, all my favourite banging songs. This is the same. This is all my favourite noises, all rolled into one. 47 miles an hour, guys. And just listen to it. Even at 30 miles an hour, it sounds great. Hot car sounds like that at 30 mile an hour route.
Can't think of it.
guys, this is what I have to look like to get you content. But listen to this. Whoa. Ready? It's a beautiful day. So there you go, guys. That is my review of our Ferrari 812 GTS. I'm smiling from ear to ear. Roo behind the camera over there, he's also smiling from ear to ear. So what does this cost? As I said earlier, base cost on these, 300,000, options puts over 400,000. Our car, we think, is the best priced out there with the spec. We're looking at 995,000 pounds for this car, which for a December 2021 car, have a look out there. But guys, this is the last chance to buy an icon from Ferrari. There won't be any more like this car here. 6 cylinders, I don't know what it's going to be, electric. There's even talk of them being 2 litres. So don't miss the opportunity. Get this car now at Enkae Prestige. Give us a call, drop us a line, have a like on our YouTube channel, and let us pay you with performance.